We all know and have loved the classic reverse smoky eye. Now, how about we oomph it up a notch and create an ombre reverse smoky eye so you can match it up with your outfit or jewelry. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Today I'm going to be showing you something that I absolutely love to do when I wear colorful outfits, but I don't want to do a full-on colorful eyeshadow look. I instead do an ombre reverse smoky eye, which is classy, it's elegant, and it's wearable. I hope you enjoy this super easy tutorial, and now without further delay, let's begin. As always, let's get done with the brows, and today I'm going to be using a new product. This is called Redefine Precision Brow Pen. This is by Hailey's Beauty. It looks like a liquid eyeliner with a felt tip, but it's actually a brow product, so it takes a little bit of time to get used to it. Just like you do with any brow pen or pencil, just use it to draw hair-like strokes. If you prefer, you can also outline your brows first before you fill in the sparse areas. If you want more coverage, you can re-dip and use the product and layer it up. Because I like a very natural looking brow, I did not re-dip more than a couple times, and I just used the residue that was left on the tip. Using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to clean up underneath the brows, and I'm also going to use it on my lid to even out some of that uneven skin tone that I have. So this is going to be the base for the eyeshadows that I'm going to be using. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette. First, using the shade Vibes, I'm going to set the concealer that we used on the lid. When the concealer is still tacky, the shimmer eyeshadows stick better onto your lid and look more pigmented. Next, I'm going to be using a matte brown shadow called Hex to carve out my crease. I'm using a blending brush to go all the way from the outer to the inner corner. I'm buffing and softening everything up as I build up the color so everything looks nice and diffused. And then with a small flat shader brush, I'm going to use Hexed in my lower lash line. So that'll be a nice diffused base for the black kohl liner that we'll be using. And for the black kohl liner, I'm going to be using the one from House Labs because this is so creamy and so easy to diffuse, and best of all, super pigmented. First, I'm going to be using it in my waterline, and then I'm going to pull out a small wing and also thicken my lash lines just a tad bit. I'm going to clean up using an angled brush, and that'll also widen up the lines just a tad bit, and that'll give us enough space to apply eyeshadows over it. And because we'll be applying the shimmer eyeshadows over this black base, they are going to look more intense. I'm going to dip into this beautiful blue shimmer called Oho, and I'm going to start applying this over the black kohl liner. I'm using an angled brush to apply it, and you can see how stunning that looks. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow right in the center of my upper and lower lash lines. And then I'm going to be doing the same with the shade Jade, which is a beautiful green shimmer. I'm going to be using it in the outer third of my upper and lower lash lines. And because we're blending it in with the blue, it almost looks like a duochrome. Next, as a highlighter, I'm going to be using Tiger's Eye only in the inner third of my lower lash line. Now, because this is a reverse smoky eye, I'm going to use a flat fluffy brush to diffuse out the wing in the outer corner. going to extend some of that green eyeshadow onto the wing. I love the way this look is coming together. I'm going to highlight my brow bones and inner corners using a highlighter. Don't forget to check out the description box right below this video for all the products that I used. It's time to finish up, so I'm going to curl my lashes before I use the Wet n Wild Bayside Cheerleading Mascara, one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. And here's the finished look. How stunning does that look? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.